Oh, hey, how's it going there? Just doing some manly work in my manly workshop, you know, fixing some stuff. Glad you could join me today. Got myself a very interesting project. I thought maybe I could share it with you. A real man can fix bobbleheads, that's right. And today, we're going to make them better, stronger, faster, and maybe more bobbly, or less bobbly, but at the least, hopefully, will, you know, make that kind of go together. Poor little guy. Well, sadly, we've had another fatality, but we'll see if we can fix the both of them today. What do we need to do our little bobblehead repair? First of all, you need your bobbleheads. Then you need a whole bunch of stuff. That's right, stuff. Whatever stuff you have, it might come in handy. And then, of course, you need some power tools. This should be interesting. There we go. Alright. Well, the moment of truth. Can the head stay on? That's a darn good question. Oh boy. Yeah. Come on. Okay, attempt number one, fail. Alright, here we go. Oh, look at that, and it even picks up nails. If you ever need some things, you know, in the workshop, pick up tools, a good bobblehead's always handy. Anyway, look at that guy. He's happy. He's bobbling. Now we got a little bird guy. And I'm sure if my daughter was here, I'd be corrected on the appropriate name, but for now, little bird guy. We'll just call him Screwhead for now. How's that? Well, there you go. This one, not so bubbly anymore, but at least he's got his head on. Oh, man. A little bit top heavy, I guess. Oh. And this guy, though, he's bobbly. He's bobbling away. That's good. Whoa, dude. There you go. And you can lean on him. There. Perfect.